Awesome. Great questions. What else you got lined up for me?
I have using love versus like aggressiveness, because aggressiveness seems to work faster, and in the society today, being aggressive, it's like, yeah, it works fast. But how can you use love instead, and how it's like applicable in what you teach, so to say?
Yeah. So when you say aggressiveness, do you mean like efforting and like hard work and like that, like
Raising your voice, slamming in the what do you call it, table when you want something, when you
pushing everybody away and just going for it, right?
yeah,
Versus love. So the way I see, you know, true forward movement is always the end result of, first and foremost, vibrational movement forward. Okay. So anything that we experience, even people who it seems like they worked really hard to get to where they got, it's not the hard work that got them there. It's not the aggressiveness that got them there. It's always their vibration that got them there. But what got their vibration there was their belief in their hard work and their belief in their aggressiveness, right?
yeah,
So at a foundational level, physical reality always has been and always will be a reflection of what we have going on in our attraction point. It's always a projection of our consciousness, right? It's always a match to our vibration. So if you believe in effort, then your effort's going to get you results. If you believe in your alignment's going to get you the results, right? And the old paradigm way of doing things is through the effort, right? Because we've been taught that effort and hard work is what's going to make you successful. So people's belief in effort and hard work is what makes them successful if they can be driven enough to put in as much effort and hard work that they think they need, right? New paradigm understanding and awareness is the fact that vibration and alignment exist. And to experience anything, it's simply a matter of lining up with it vibrationally, being in alignment, being in the receiving mode, being vibrationally productive, right? So as the collective members, as what we're doing is moving from that old paradigm into the new paradigm, it's about shedding these habits of, this is how I need to work, this is how I need to effort to get there, and really shifting to the habit of being vibrationally productive, of learning to be in high and consistent alignment, and allowing that mechanism of synchronicity, the support provided by our inner beings and source, to fill in those gaps for us so that we can achieve things, not only bigger things, but things in a way that's much easier and more relaxing to us. Does that make sense? So I would say continue to be aggressive, but be aggressive with your vibration. Be aggressive with your alignment. And even the word aggressive is a little bit strong. I would say more, put that focus on alignment and vibration rather than using the word aggressive per se. But I think you get what I'm saying.